There you go there, fellas. Here we go. Pistols Peach Sour. Hope you guys are up to something new on Trev's channel. We don't usually have the sours. You're going to get a surprise when I tell you the story. It's ridiculous. The bottle shop was really dark. They haven't replaced their lamps for years. And I saw it and I thought it said Peach Stout. You're kidding. But I love peaches and apricots. And it's got a bit of a kick of a peach flavour. That's quite good actually. If you love peaches, you'd love this. Yeah, that's delicious. Probably the best sour I've ever had. So if you're a sour drinker, go and search that one out. Pistols. Brewers series. Big Shed Brewing. I've had some of theirs before, pretty good. This one's 5%. Independent brewer. I think they're down towards Warragul or something. Down there, Traralgon or something like that. Anyway, I went there once. I had a couple of beers there. Or I bought some. I don't think you could drink them there. Probably drank them in the car with the pie. Got a pretty good bakery there as well. Alright, well that's the Pistols Peach Sour. It's not a stout. Don't get that mixed up. But it's not bad. I don't mind it. Even though it was a big mistake. I'm pretty happy. Peach, white peach. It's not too sour. That's probably the best thing. I used to drink peach juice and apricot juice in Central and South America. One was Marocoton, and I can't even remember the other one at the moment, but I used to buy that and would drink it with rum. Peach juice, apricot juice with rum, would pick fresh coconuts, borrow someone's machete, would have big cocktails. It was grouse. Coke sometimes, Cuba Libras, you'd have limes. Yeah, no, it was really good. Central America foremost on the rum. They call it Ron Barbados drink. Yeah, bloody Ron. You're kidding. The rum heads. Cheers guys. Well, the peach was good with the rum. Anyway, try this with the sour. And if you ever find a peach stout, give me a call. Cheers.